What's up, everybody? Shannon Sagan here, 1-800-FLA lawyer, aka the Dashcam lawyer. This video I'm going to show you that I saw on YouTube is another perfect example of why you should have a dash cam for incidents like this. I love cars, and I watch a lot of I subscribe to a lot of car enthusiasts on YouTube. This company is Daily Driven Exotics, I believe. They have like 3 million followers. Good guys. They drive nice cars. They travel all around the world. And it just so happened that one of the guys owns a Lamborghini, and he was driving through the neighborhood, and somebody put a sledgehammer to the windshield of his Lambo. Multiple neighbors start coming out, or multiple people all on the same side start trying to attack this guy. And then the gentleman who hit the car is denying it. Now, ultimately, if you watch the whole video, that gentleman ended up getting prosecuted. But it looked to me that there was no dash cam in the Lamborghini to actually record the guy. The gentleman who owned the car, who owned the Lambo, just happened to have a snapshot showing the windshield smashed beforehand and then smashed afterward. And I'm going to run that by you right now, but check this out.
So you hit my car with that.
So as you can see, everyone around them are denying that this gentleman here had hit the car. This is who the guy is alleging smashed it. And this is a quick video. I guess he used his phone really quick to record something. Maybe things were already getting heated, but you can clearly see there's no smashed windshield here. And then from the video that I showed you, it was smashed. So this gentleman, I believe, got arrested, and pretty chaotic. But if that dash cam was here, it would have shown all of this, and there wouldn't have even been everyone running around denying things. Luckily, the police took the Lambo driver's side. And again, if you got some time, check out this whole video. It's pretty crazy, but these guys are really good. I like following their page. And the bottom line is just another reason as to why you need to have a dash cam, not even for accidents, but for property damage and theft and things like that. So go get yourself a dash cam.